the struggle is real down here at the boat ramp today. Guys, welcome back to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. And today is one of those very unique days down here. We've got the wind and the current blowing in the same direction, and boats, I don't know a better way to describe it than they are having absolute fits trying to get on the dock today. Our guy, man, he is absolutely rubbing the crow out of the bow of this boat across the concrete dock there. Finally slides off a little bit. And we're finally going to get the kick out. But we're still not done. And he's pulling the stern of this. Got to be careful. Don't want that bow to kick out. It looks like it's holding okay right now. These guys, it looks like we're getting out of here now. Do a little kickoff. Oh, careful. We're going to hit again. Oh! They are not having any luck here. The current and wind is giving these guys just absolute fits. And we're going to go ahead and pull off now. There we go. And this crew should be able to get out of here on that one. And the only thing that can make it worse than having the wind and current blowing in the same direction and these boats all struggling, it is busy. I mean, you can see that there's somebody on just about every dock down here at Black Point. And this crew's going in for one of the most treacherous docks, which is the same one we saw our first boat go after. And one of the reasons is there's not a ton of room. You can see we got a couple boats over here now on the left-hand side. And so they've got to watch those as obstacles as well. So they're closing in, but there we go. The wind and current's got them, and now things are going to get a little rough. There's no real getting out of this one. They need to back out in a hurry. And they're going to hit. They're going to hit. And at least we got somebody to the bow of the boat to help give them the push off. But man, when the wind and current grab and you start going in that direction, it is really tough to get this boat going back in the other direction unless you've got some real help. And by real help, I mean lines on the dock, maybe a bow thruster, something like that. But if you're just relying on twin screws on the back, you've got to almost back yourself out of the situation quickly or really try and get yourself turned back straight into that wind and current. So our crew's going to come back in and make another approach on this one. Are they going to go for the same dock? You would figure they would kind of learn, like, maybe we want to pick a different one. No, they're going to go for it. And then even we got a lot going on here. You'll see a Ford Explorer over here to the right as well. They can't get off the ramp. So these guys are trying to get on the dock, and that truck's over there spinning tires. I mean, he's just back down to try and give himself another running shot. Man, sometimes these are tough scenes because there's a lot going on. There's things going on 2 ramps down we could be shooting right this second as well. And the other tough part when it's busy, we're getting shot blocked the whole time. So we've got this boat, it appears, finally back on the dock. Ooh, a little bow rail rub. But these guys are blocking the Explorer that I'd like to focus on as well, to see if they can get this thing out. So he's kind of stuck at the top of the ramp right now. And I'm assuming they're going to have to back down one more time and try and get another running start at it. Looks like this boat's going to go ahead and make an approach. And it look okay so far, but they're going to have to get inside that dock. Same deal, that wind and current's got them. Not again. I don't think he's far enough forward on the dock. They're going to miss to the outside here, and there's not going to be much they can do. He needs a little power to get on the inside of that. And nope, we're going to be sideways on the end of the dock. And here comes the Explorer that's stuck on the ramp. We'll see if they can get out of here. It's been absolute insanity today with the wind and current. I mean, we cover a lot of ramps, and Boynton's probably the most notorious ramp we deal with the wind. The inlet and everything like that's kind of a straight shot across the channel, And we just get heavy winds over there. And the wind, you can tell the trees aren't really blowing a lot back in the background, so it's not crazy today. But when that wind and current, once again, they're going the same direction here, it can be tough. And our Explorer looks like he made it out this time. And our crew's coming in, trying to decide where they're going to go. And my choice would be this dock to the left. Let the wind and current push you into it. But no, we're going to try for the dock on the right. And he's going to have to come heavy in. He's going to have to give it a little throttle here. And he's brake checked, but brake checking with the wind and current's not necessarily a good idea. And he's lost it. And so now he's going to have to try and reverse his way out of this. Come on, oh no, he's going to hit the dock. Oh, they hit the dock. Oh, man. Once again, I don't believe any of that was his intention. He was coming in a little hot on the front dock. Tapped the brakes, but tapping the brakes will, in this situation, really just stop you and allow that wind and current to grab you and pull you the other direction. And it looks like we're going to be able to get this one up this time, though. This one's an interesting scene as well. I always look for the little things, and one of the little things here is the other two guys in this boat that are not standing up have life jackets on. The guy who's standing up does not. We've already proven today. Oh! Woo! Our guy standing up better grab onto something and hang on. And somebody's going to have to push off the stern, and they got their ladder down. Hopefully they don't break that. Oh! And it hits the dock over there as well, but it looks like it'll be just fine. Always find this one interesting, though. Of course, the one guy who's not wearing a life jacket was the one standing up and the one who almost took a swim. And that's the way luck has it. But we're going to try and get this thing reapproached. But if I was my man standing up, I would definitely be grabbing onto something firm, as our guy's shown that he likes to hit that throttle. And, oh, we're off on the dock. And we should be able to get this one pulled over now. But it's, I mean, everybody's fought today with this wind and current. It's been an interesting day. But it looks like they're going to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.